So the thing is to how to maintain a positive mental attitude when facing something difficult. These softness can be a bit difficult and sometimes can maybe make you feel a bit overwhelmed. So you need to get your mindset right, and if you do, that will sort of determine the outcome of the job. So you need to have a positive mental attitude. And how do you do that? Well, instead of seeing the task as a problem, see it as a puzzle to solve or an opportunity to grow. Instead of this is too hard, say instead this is going to make me stronger. So you can break it down. Big challenges feel impossible, but small steps are always doable. So identify the next small step you can take. Focus on progress, not perfection. Example, if you're fixing your Kinetico, focus on one step at a time, like locating the bypass valve before worrying about the entire repair. So control what you can, accept what you can't. Some things are outside your control, but your effort, attitude and response are always in your hands. So focus on solutions, not obstacles. So if something goes wrong, just say, what can I learn from this? So use encouraging self-talk. Your mind listens to what you tell it. Instead of discouraging yourself, speak words of encouragement. Like, I can figure it out. Every problem has a solution. I've done hard things before. I'll get through this too. So you can visualize your successes before starting. So picture yourself succeeding. Imagine yourself completing the task with confidence and satisfaction. See the victory before it happens. If you look into our videos, if you look into our feedbacks, you'll see people have just worked miracles on their machine, and they've been quoted extraordinary amounts of money to repair their own Kinetico. So just picture yourself succeeding, and imagine yourself completing the task with confidence and satisfaction. See the victory before it happens. So look to the end of the job as well. So take breaks, breathe, reset. Frustration can cloud your thinking if you feel stuck. Step away for a moment, take deep breaths or stretch. All those normal things. Celebrate small wins. So fix one issue at a time. If you follow the videos, and learn something and learn how to do it, you're going to be in great shape to actually fix your Kinetico. So don't give up. And the other thing is to have faith in yourself, the bigger picture. Maybe if you believe in God or a higher purpose, remind yourself, I'm not alone in this. It's a simple thing to follow a set of rules. Follow the videos, follow the plan, and you will succeed in doing your video. And if there's a problem, just go through it again. You need to maybe alter a seal, maybe it's gone on a little bit of a funny angle. Just do it again, and you'd be surprised how wonderful that would be. So we just want to do that little video today on that one. We might go into some more difficult things. We said I'd be talking about some other things, but we might add a little bit to something really